Is OP funding worth it? My honest experience. Hey fellow traders, I recently completed the OFP funding challenge, and I wanted to give an honest breakdown of my experience. If you're wondering whether OFP funding is legit or a scam, or if it's even worth your time, this review is for you. What attracted me to OFP? I've tried several prop firms, FTMO, the 5 Rs, TFT, and even my forex funds before it went down. Most of them had too many rules. What caught my attention with OFP funding was the instant funding, no multiple phases, no trading for 10 plus days just to prove consistency. Just one goal, hit the profit target without blowing up. Straightforward, signing up and first impressions. I chose the $25,000 account for around $89. The sign-up process was clean. I got my login credentials within 15 minutes. Their dashboard was intuitive. I could track my profit, drawdown, and even payout eligibility in real time. Very transparent. No minimum days. Leverage 100. Platform MT5. No rule against weekend holding or news trading. Huge bonus. I hit the target in 8 days. Getting funded. After passing, I received a welcome email and funded account details within 48 hours. Same conditions as before, no curveballs. My first payout was requested after 14 days. It was processed in 3 days and hit my crypto wallet. Smooth payout system. You get paid on demand monthly and bi-weekly, which is fair. Payout methods are mainly crypto, BTC, USDT, and they also have Rise integration for those who don't want bank transfers. I stuck to USDT, fast and reliable. The good stuff, no BS rules, no hidden restrictions. You can scalp, swing, trade news, whatever fits your style. Quick evaluation, no phase 1 and no phase 2. Just instant funding, no target and you're done. Great dashboard, everything is trackable. You're never blind. Profit split, it's 100%. Scaling plan, grow your account gradually with consistency. Active Discord, supportive community, payout screenshots, and success stories. A few downsides. New firm, they're still growing, so some things feel beta. No MT4 or MT5 for now. I had to migrate my indicators. Minor delays, my second payout took 5 days instead of 3, but still came through. Are they legit? Yes, I've been paid, no shady stuff, and they're publicly active on socials and Discord. If you follow the rules, you'll get funded and paid. Tips before you join. Use a journal. Avoid drawdown mistakes by tracking your trades. Stay disciplined. Even though rules are flexible, don't get overconfident. Start with the $5,000 or $10,000 challenge if you are unsure. Join their Discord. It's helpful for announcements and motivation. Is OFP funding for you? Yes, if you are tired of two-phase challenges, want freedom to trade your way, value consistent payouts, are okay with MT5, can pass a 10% target without excessive risk. Final verdict, OFP funding feels like a prop firm built for traders, by traders. It's not perfect, but it's transparent, fair, and actually pays. If they keep growing and avoid scandals, they might become one of the top names in the space. My personal rating, 9/10. Would I recommend them? Absolutely, especially if you're confident in your edge and want quick funding.
Consistently, they are awesome. I hope you liked the video. Please share this video and like this video. Thank you.